Hello viewers, you're welcome to AYA Cosmetic Nigeria. I remain your homeboy. You're the man with our skincare things, so they said, you know what I mean? As a matter of fact, today's a brand new day. If today is your first time, you're coming to this channel, I advise you to subscribe, like, and share the link. And if you're a returning subscriber, also copy the link and share the link also. Boom! Okay, there again, if you want to buy your skincare recipe or you want to buy your organic recipe or cosmetic, any of those you want to buy, you can always, count on us, via the number on your screen, you can get to us. Make sure you call us. Yes, and the good thing is that we ship everywhere. Europe, Asia country, UK, US, Canada, just name it, wherever the world we ship to. Even in Nigeria, other African countries we ship to, all you just need to do just call at us, via the number on your screen on the YouTube side, just call us. Okay, quick one today, what we want to do, we just want to do a very simple DIY that you can do at home. You can get rid of your dark knuckles. When we say dark knuckles, so this is real. First of all, you have to consider this fact. You want to remove your knuckles. What type of knuckle do you have? So there are some knuckles, you see, they are just there, they're not just strong knuckles that maybe you can treat them off with your body lotion, maybe consistency, you just do it. But why some you've done all you can, but they just die, they say this is gloomy knuckle, they glue with you, they just want to stay, they love staying in your body. So probably maybe the lotion you use it for the body or whatever you use it for those knuckles, it's just not strong. But let's do a very simple DIY that can get rid of every type of knuckle, whether they're spiritual knuckles or physical knuckles or whatever the knuckle may be, or caused by how you don't know how to use your lotion. So let's quickly do a simple DIY that can remove all type of knuckles. Join me, let's begin.
Hello everyone, this is to introduce to you the Irish Ladies Body Cream, aka Yellow Sissy. This cream does what it promises, which is to give you an amazing result, a well-moisturized skin in 14 days. You heard me right. You can get your uniform skin, yellow undertone, beautiful, amazing skin, better than I am looking in 14 days. What do you have to do? Just call the number on the screen and make your order. We'll ship everywhere to you wherever you are. This is for guys and for females. Make sure you don't miss this. Get your results as you want this year. Thank you.
These are the things we'll be using for our knuckle. It's very simple. I'm not gonna be like those people who they tell you like this is what we're using and this is not what they're using. Now this is what we'll be using. First of all, we're using our 24K gold kojic sands. Look at it. This is a body lotion, skin whitening lotion. This lotion, as a matter of fact, have every tendency to moisturize and to whiten your body also, Yes, you can use it to do your body lotion at any time you want to. It's a very good lotion. We know, yes, that you just if you want to tweak it more, you can have other your whitening solutions, to tweak it more. But with this, I think we're good to go. And we'll be using also again. We'll be using this. I guess this Fashion Fair cream. Look at it. See, we'll be using this Fashion Fair cream. You all know what this is, and also we'll be using this lemon clear and the oil. So we'll be using this to go with it. So then again, we'll be using this. We'll be using this. Look at it. This carotone. We'll be using this carotone. So there's every tendency that this knuckle must go. This knuckle must go, and also we'll be using this also. This tojo, like everybody know, like This is one of dark spot, and then you can use it for your feet. You can use it like eagle, do very well than any other ones you'll be using before. So let's begin. Like, oh yeah, so open it, here you go. All right, boom. And I was supposed to tell you we'll be putting a little bit, not a little bit, we'll be putting 100 ml of lemon oil. Okay, let me just, but don't forget 50 to 100 ml of lemon oil that we blend properly. Okay, this is open 100 ml of lemon oil. So, told you, nothing more but just the briefing, you know. So what we're about doing now, we'll blend, so you blend properly. So I might just want to really cut the camera so we blend. When we finish blending it, you know, we see what we've produced. You can see it's already. Having know that we make use of we use our 24 Gold Kojisan body skin lotion, you know, and then we also use this one, also Keratin, and then we use this, you know, that is the John, and then we use our lemon clay, and then we use our fashion fair. That's all. And then also the lemon clay tube also, and then oil. That's what we use. So don't forget the things. Don't go ask me, oh, what did he use? What did he use? And also, we actually use 100 ml of our blema oil. You can use Malawi oil or blema oil. We have different colors of it. So that is that. As a matter of fact, so that you've gotten a good cream to take off your knuckle. You know, this can easily get your knuckle off within 2 weeks. You know, within 2 weeks, this one is gone. So, as a matter of fact, if you're looking for where to get your recipe, like organic recipe or, you know, cosmetic and any ingredient you need regard to the skincare line, you can always knock at us. No, just call at us. You always get the right original recipe. Trust me on this one. So that is end of our class. Bye bye.
Hello everyone, this is to introduce to you the Irish Ladies Body Cream, aka Yellow Sissy. This cream does what it promises, which is to give you an amazing result, a well moisturized skin in 14 days. You heard me right, you can get your uniform skin, yellow undertone, beautiful, amazing skin, better than I am looking in 14 days. What do you have to do? Just call the number on the screen and make your order. We'll ship everywhere to you wherever you are. This is for guys and for females. Make sure you don't miss this. Get your results as you want this year. Thank you.